Namaskar friends, this is NJ, host on this channel. From this video we will start our discussion on an entirely new playlist which is going to be on understanding the Atma Karaka Nakshatra. So friends, if you will even break this word Atma Karaka in two words, you will get Atma, which means soul, Karaka, which means significator. So the beauty of our Vedic astrology is that out of all the 9 planets, there is one particular planet which has got this department, this portfolio of giving information regarding your soul progress, your spiritual progress in this lifetime. So now what you have to do is that on the basis of taking your analysis, your assessment, narrowing it down to the nakshatra of that Atma Karaka planet's placement, you will get to know about what kind of sacrifices, what kind of attitude, what kind of contribution your soul significator planet is asking from you. Because this Atma Karaka planet and its nakshatra only which is responsible or which can act as a vehicle which can drive for the union of your individualized soul with the supreme soul or supreme consciousness in this lifetime. So friends, this discussion is definitely going to be restricted or reserved only for the spiritual seekers only. The approach which I am going to follow for this particular playlist is going to be like many times people complain that when I follow a sequential pattern, so I start from the, for example, if we talk about the 27 nakshatras, so I have to start with the first nakshatra which is Ashwini. But in those kind of scenarios, someone who has got his important nakshatra or Atma Karaka nakshatra as the nakshatra number 15 or 20th, then this person has to wait at least for another 1.5 month or 2 months of time. So now for this particular playlist, the approach which I am going to follow is going to be that on the day of recording, in whichsoever nakshatra moon is going to be transiting at that point of time, I will record that specific nakshatra Atma Karaka nakshatra video only on that day. That is one thing which I wanted to share with you. And the second thing is that, friends, understanding this Atma Karaka nakshatra is a very important concept because these 27 nakshatras in Vedic astrology can be seen as the 27 gods, where all these 27 nakshatra has got a distinctive power, distinctive personality, distinctive characteristics. So if you will get to know about your Atma Karaka nakshatra, you will definitely know the approach or style which you need to follow to fulfill your purpose or soul purpose in this lifetime. Because for the spiritual seeker or all the spiritual seekers who know this fact that soul is immortal, we are born in this lifetime just to learn the lesson or attain that state of purity, that state of perfection, to live our life on the principles of unconditional love and service. When we talk about the karma, because when we talk about that all of the account of our deeds are stored in the cosmos or in the Akashic records, so that is nothing, just these nakshatras only, where all of our deeds and all of our knowledge or information of our karma is stored over there. The only and the best approach which I always recommend to people is that, which is the essence of all of our holy scriptures, that is, make your intellect as a sthir pragya, stabilize your intellect, bring peace or a balance on your intellect, that no matter howsoever or whichsoever external circumstances are changing, they should not hold any power to affect you or influence you. And moreover, friends, see, the cycle of karma is something from which no one can escape. If you are bound to face the result of any of your deeds or actions of the past lifetime, so the fruit of that or that result of those karma or the law of karma is definitely going to entangle you in this lifetime as well. But here the refuge in spirituality or divinity comes to our rescue. Now what is going to happen is that your fate is definitely going to be fixed, which is something which you have to endure, which you have to face. But if you are going to take the spiritual or divine refuge, now this could be your Ish Devta, basis your religion, basis your faith. So now what is going to happen is that fate is going to take up the form of fortune, where the suffering part is going to get diminished and the good merits are definitely going to get enhanced. Friends, whatsoever happen in our life, it only affect us when it comes in our awareness part of our consciousness. See, try to understand this thing with a very basic and simple example. If basis your deeds in the past lifetime, you were entitled or you were karmically, you were bound to have a disloyal partner in the marriage or in the relationship. So seeking spiritual refuge could reduce the suffering to such an extent that you might have a cheating partner, but that part of disloyalty might never come to your awareness. So the suffering part could be diluted, could be avoided by seeking the spiritual refuge. And friends, all of this information, all of that lifestyle choices, all of the sacrifices can be fairly understood by understanding your Atma Karaka planet and your Atma Karaka Nakshatra only, which we will discuss in our this particular playlist. So friends, before I will conclude this video, because this introduction video could be seen as that I just wanted to announce the new playlist on which I will soon start uploading videos. But one thing or one sneak peek which I want to give you before concluding this video is that I will definitely focus more on the few of the categories while explaining you the Atma Karaka Nakshatra. So first category is definitely going to be the Devata or the god which preside over that particular nakshatra. Trust me guys, I'm not going to do a repetition of all those things which we have already discussed in this particular channel. I will pick only those peculiar and specific information which is important for your Atma Karaka Nakshatra or which could contribute towards your spiritual progress in this lifetime. So the first thing is, or first category is going to be on understanding the deity or god which is going to be presiding over that particular nakshatra of the day. The second category is definitely going to be the Purusharth, like out of the 4 ways of living which could be the connected Purusharth of that particular nakshatra. Like, is it the Dharma which is about virtues, or is it going to be Artha where the materialistic accomplishment and practical approach is required for your soul elevation and spiritual progress, or this could be related to Kama where the desires are going to take the forefront, or is it going to be the Moksha which is all about your self-realization. We will also include in as one of the category where we will take into consideration the different gunas. When we talk about the guna, so we talk about the mental qualities, the distinctive approach and mental qualities which you need to inculcate. So like for someone where sattva could predominate, where the emphasis is only on the purity, or in some cases it could be the tamas which is all about darkness, which is all about inaction, complete surrender, or this could be about rajas which is all about running around, action and activity. So that is something friends which is going to be our approach for this particular playlist. This playlist is completely reserved and restricted only for the spiritual seekers only. This was just an introduction video. I will look forward to your comments, your suggestion, which all area you want me to cover, while I will start taking up all the nakshatras one by one specific to your Atma Karaka planets placement. And yes, I guess this is something which I wanted to share as a part of my inputs for this particular upcoming playlist. For further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.